Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Yep. Very, very good evening. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today, guys. So, guys, before starting our sessions, as always, so let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. Right. Yes. So, guys, yesterday we have started discussing about collection framework and I told you what is actually collection framework. Like we have discussed why we are supposed to go to collections, why already we are having arrays, like why we are supposed to go to collections, what is the difference between array and collections, performance wise which is recommended, memory wise which is recommended, what collections will accept. Collections will accept only objects. Am I right or wrong? Collection classes will accept only objects. And performance wise, what will be recommended? Memory wise, what will be recommended? After that, I told you there are two root interfaces are there in collections. What are those? Collection interface and map interface. Guys, you need to respond. Please help me out. Please help me out. How many root interfaces are there? How many root interfaces are there? There are two root interfaces are there. Okay, two root interfaces are there. What are those? Collection interface and map interface. In collection interface there are three child interfaces like list, set and queue. In list we are having three implementation classes are there in list: array list, linked list, vector. And in set we are having three, and in queue we are having two, and in map we are having four implementation classes. All these particular classes we just discussed. That's it. Like we did not go with in detail or else in-depth explanation. Now after that, actually we have seen like what is, like how elements will be present in list, how elements will be stored in list, set, queue, map. Just a basic introduction, guys, just a basic introduction. And after that we had seen how to retrieve the data from collection classes also. Like I told you, we can retrieve the data by using for loop, for each loop, iterator interfaces, list iterator interfaces, enumeration interface. All this way we can retrieve the data, I told you. Now guys, today we are going to start discussing about array list. Okay, guys, we'll be trying to start discussing about array list first. Just let me try to create a class. Okay, new class A, like this. Okay. Right. Just a second. Right. Class A. Okay. Now, guys, today we are going to discuss about array list. Okay, only array list, if time permits we'll try to see, or else no problem. Guys, I'm saying you, actually remember in IO streams when we discussed about IO streams concept, I told you guys, please understand byte streams. If you understand byte streams correctly, all other streams are very, very easy, I told you. And you have practiced that byte streams program, and I believe you have, like, you understood IO streams very easily. Am I right or wrong? In the same manner, I'm speaking about collection classes also. Okay, please understand one program correctly, all other programs are same, exactly same. Right. Now first I'm trying to take an array list. Okay, just let me try to take a method, void method1. Now just system.out.println. Here I'm writing implementing array list. I'm trying to implement ArrayList. Means I want to write a program on ArrayList, guys. Okay. Now, guys, what I told you, all these are just a second. Yes, what I told you, all these are classes. I told you. Am I right or wrong? ArrayList is a class, linked list is a class, vector is a class, hash set, linked list. All these are classes. Now, what I want you to do is, guys, can you create an object for an ArrayList? Can you create an object for ArrayList? Can you please give me the code? Please give me the code how to create an object for ArrayList. Just give me the code. That's it. I don't want anything else. How to create an object for ArrayList. Nikhil, very good. Upendra, that is correct. Rabia, perfect. Yes. Yes. Rabia and who else give me? Yeah, Mukesh, Suma, Krishna. Exactly. Alpesh, Rathod, Sushil. Guys, exactly. Rathod, I want you to create. Okay. Right. So guys, please observe here. Generally, guys, if we want to create an object, the first keyword which we are going to use. What is the first keyword? New. Exactly. First, go with new. Okay. Which object you want to create? ArrayList. So what we need to do, we need to initialize with that constructor. Okay. ArrayList like this. I have initialized the ArrayList. Now just let me try to have a reference. AL, just a reference. AL belongs to ArrayList like this. Okay, that's it. Not more than that. You know this. You know this way, guys. Do you know this? I just created an object. That's it. Not more than that. I just created an object. Now, did you remember I told you all these collection classes are present in which package? All these collection classes are present in which package? Java.util package. So obviously we need to import that ArrayList. I mean, of course, ArrayList is a class which is present in util package. So I just imported. Now, guys, I have created an ArrayList. Now, what I want to do, I want to pass some elements into my ArrayList. I want to send some elements into my ArrayList. If I want to pass some elements, I need to use a method known as, guys, in collection interface, there are some methods are there. Okay. Yesterday I have uploaded this in your Google Classroom. Did you check with that, guys? Did you check with that? All these methods, I told you, all these methods which are present in collection interface, all those methods which are present in collection interface can be used by all these child classes. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Come on, guys, tell me. Yeah, yesterday we discussed that. Yesterday only we discussed, yeah, inheritance concept. Yeah. Now, guys, can you please check this method, add method? What is the use of this add method? Guys, add method will add elements into your collection class. For example, please check this. AL dot add, and here I'm trying to AL dot add, and here I'm trying to go with 10 like this. I'm just passing a value, guys. That's it. In the same manner, I want to add remaining data also. remaining data also, just like this. Okay, for example, guys, you know that we can pass different types of data. Am I right or wrong? Like I told you, collections will accept heterogeneous data, right? This is not int. What is this, guys? What is this? It is an very good, Suma. Very good, Krishna. Very good, Mukesh. It is an integer. Integer. Yes, Guruvaya. Integer wrapper class. This is not int. Okay. Now, this is string. All right, guys. Let me just try to use null also. Null also. After that, just I'm passing some data, guys. Just some data. Okay. Some 42. Let me go with 10. And some 96, some random data. I'm just trying to pass some random data. That's it, not more than that. Okay, like that. Yeah, I can pass character also, Upender, no problem. Just some random data, any random data I can pass. Okay, now I'm trying to print my array list. I'm just trying to print my array list. That's it. Or else let me try to write like this: ARRAYLIST plus AL. I'm just trying to print my array list. Okay. Now just let me go to my main method. Main method. Now inside my main method, new class A dot a method one. Sir, why we are getting like yellow color lines like this? I'll explain you guys. Please wait for it. I will explain you. Wait for it. Okay. Now let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application, and this is my output. This is my output. Right. Now, guys, I want to ask you a small question. My first question is, insertion order maintained or not? Insertion order. Insertion order means in which order I am entering. In the same order the data is entered into my array list? Yes. INSERT, insertion order is maintained. Insertion order is maintained. Okay. Guys, what about duplicates? Is duplicates allowed? Duplicates are allowed? Of course, guys, please observe here. 10 and 10. Yes. DUPLICAT. Duplicates are allowed. ALLOWED. Duplicates are allowed. What about null? Is null allowed? Is null allowed? Yeah, of course null is allowed. Null is also okay. Null is allowed. Null is allowed. Not at all a trouble, guys. Not at all trouble. Okay. Now guys, default capacity of array list is 10. Default capacity of array list is 10. Okay. After adding 10 elements, I repeat, default capacity of array list is 10. After adding 10 elements, the capacity of the array list will be increased by half. Capacity of the array list will be increased by half, guys. Half. That is current capacity into 3 by 2 plus 1. Just let me try to write like this. New capacity equal to current capacity into 3 by 2 plus 1. So generally what we'll be saying, the capacity of the, like after filling 10 elements, the capacity of the array list will be increased by half. We'll be saying like that. Are you understanding me, guys? Please tell me. Like if you can remember this formula, fine. Or else you can simply say half means after, for example, 10, you have entered 10 elements. If you are trying to enter one more element, then it will be something like near to 15. 15. Guys, are you getting me? Please tell me. Respond. Please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Exactly. Okay. That nearly 15, guys, nearly 15. See, according to the formula, it will be 16. I'm not saying no for that. If you remember the formula, that is good. If you are unable to remember the formula, you can say like half. It does not, nothing to worry about it. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay. Right. Now, guys, array list, it is available from Java 1.2 version. Array list is available from Java 1.2 version. 1.2 version onwards. And most important point, very important point, that is array list is, let us go like this. It is not synchronized by default. Array list is not synchronized by default. Guys, are you understanding me? Synchronization, guys, you know that. Upendra, no. 1.8 means not 18th version. 1.8 is completely different. 1.8 means Java 8. Okay. Guys, when we came across synchronization concept, did you remember? When we came across synchronization concept, we came across multi-threading. Exactly, Krishna. Exactly, Mukesh. Multi-threading, Suma. Yes, multi-threading. In multi-threading, we had considered, like, we have seen what is actually synchronization concept, right? So array list is not synchronized by default. Not synchronized by default means it is not thread safe. It is not thread safe. Okay. Now, guys, I just want to ask you one more question here, actually. Just a second. Okay. I want to ask you one more question here. Guys, tell me, array list will allow heterogeneous elements or only homogeneous elements? Can you please tell me? Array list will allow heterogeneous elements, right? Yes, obviously heterogeneous elements means any kind of data. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. Heterogeneous elements are allowed, right? How many points here are there, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nearly all these 8 points you need to learn for remaining classes also. Linked list, 8 points. Vector, 8 points. Hash set, all those 8 points. Linked hash set, tree set, linked list, priority queue, hash map, linked hash map, tree map, and hash table. Different features will be there. That is the only reason people will be getting confused, but not my students. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay, is it clear, guys? Now, right. So, guys, we'll do one thing. Let me try to retrieve the data from array list. Now, before retrieving the data from array list, I want to use some methods, guys. Okay, there are some methods which are present in collections. Shall we use those methods? For example, size method. System.out.println. I'm using that size method. Okay, so plus AL dot size. Any idea? Any idea? What can be possible expected output? Guys, size. You need to start with 1 or 0. You need to start with 1 or 0. Length, guys, length. Length always starts with 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Size is 9. Okay, is empty. Is empty. What that is empty method will be doing here, you know? Right, 9. System.out.println. System.out.println is empty method. Guys, the return type of is empty method is Boolean. Boolean. Okay, it is going to return true. It is going to return true if there are no elements in your array list. So can you please tell me what is your expected output here? True or false? False. Exactly. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. False. For example, I'm trying to use system.out.println. System.out.println al dot clear. Okay, sorry. I'll be just going with, I cannot use this system.out.println. I'll do one thing, al dot clear. Okay, now I'm trying to use this is empty method. Now guys, what this clear method will be doing, you know, clear method, it will remove all the data. It will remove all the data in the array list. So completely all these elements will be removed. So guys, right now, what is our expected output here? Exactly, Rathod. TRUE, true. We should be getting our output as true. Am I clear with this, guys? Please respond. Guys, you need to respond. Don't sit idle. Please don't sit idle. Please respond. Okay. Now, guys, there is this method, one more method, that is contains object. Contains object. Okay. So guys, please observe here. Okay, what I'll be trying to do, you know, what I'm trying to do, you know, I'm trying to use system.out.println contains, CONTAINS, contains method. I'm trying to use contains method. Okay. Now please observe here, plus al dot contains, and here just let me try to go with like JVA, Java. Okay. Now tell me guys, what is my output, true or false? Right now, what is my output, true or false? Guys, please observe here. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as false. Why? Why I'll be getting my output as false? Any idea? Guys, right now there is no elements here. All the elements are gone. I had cleared the elements, right? Right? So let me do one thing, guys. Let me try to keep them in comments. Let me try to keep them in comments like this. Okay. Now shall we check? Contains Java. Okay. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application, and I will be getting my output as true. Is it clear, guys? Please tell me, please respond, please respond. Yes, exactly. Now guys, do you know what, actually there are other method, like remove method is also there. Remove method, like we can remove a specific element also. Okay, for example, we'll do one thing, guys. We'll do one thing. System.out.println. Guys, I want to remove this 10. Okay, let us check this system.out.println, and I'm remove method plus al dot remove object 10. I'm trying to remove 10. Okay, now let me check. Right click, run as. Okay, here I'm just trying to, after removing I'm trying to print my array list also. Now, right click, run as Java application. Guys, what happened here? What happened here? I got an exception here. Yes. Why? Why I got an exception? Why I got an exception? I want to remove my object. Okay. But why I got an exception? Guys, here you are actually compiler is considering this 10 as index position. It is considering this 10 as index position. Okay. Are you understanding me, guys? Okay, guys, we'll do one thing. Where is this 10 present? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we give 5 and let us check? Guys, are you understanding me? Let me try to give 5 here. 5. Okay. Let me check. Right click, run as Java application. Guys, is that value removed? Please tell me. Is that value removed? Guys, observe, it got removed. Yes, it got removed. Now, okay, sir, I want to do one thing. Okay, system.out.println. Sir, I don't want to go with index position. Can I go with directly object name also? This is index, removing. Let me write like this, removing using index, using index positions. Using index positions. Now, I don't want to remove using index positions, guys. I want to remove by using this 75 object directly. Are you understanding me, guys? I just want to remove that. But right now, what I will be getting? If I execute my program, what I will be getting? I will be getting an exception. So, any ideas? I don't want to use index position. No. I don't want to use how. Krishna, how? Answer it completely. How? No, I don't want to change the method. Come on, Upender. I don't want to change the method. Suma, tell me. How? Yeah, how? Krishna, how? Guys, actually, what compiler is thinking, No. What compiler is thinking, compiler is thinking this as index position. It is thinking this as an index position. According to our opinion, what it is? According to our opinion, what it is? It is an object. Say to that compiler, buddy, that is not an index position, that is instead an object. Typecast here. Typecast. That's it. Okay. Now please observe here, right click, run as Java application. Is 75 removed? Is it removed, guys? That's it. How you need to use that. Typecasting, the concept which you already learned. Okay. Now, guys, do you know what? Actually, there are some methods which are present in array list also. Yep, there are some methods. For example, please check them. Add method, it is already present in collection class. Yes, collection interface. Yes, in array list also it is present. For example, add int position element object means if we want to add a particular element. Okay, al dot add. Guys, I want to add 10 between Java and null. I'll do one thing. I want to add 100 between Java and null. Okay, add. Now tell me, guys, 100. What should be the index position? 100. What should be the index position? Exactly. Index position is 2. Index position is 2. And what is the element which I want to add? I want to add 100. Simple. Now please observe here. Please observe here. System.out.println, system.out.println, and here I am going with the array list, and right click run as a Java application, and I'll be able to add my element into my specific preferred location. Can you imagine adding like this in array? In array. Can you prefer like this? Can you add like this? 100% no. If you are trying to add an element between two elements, the next element is going to be moved to the other memory location. No, it will not move. Guys, are you understanding me? I hope you're getting me right. For example, if in array, okay, 10, 20, 30 are there. You want to add an element between 20 and 30. Okay, if you are trying to add 40, that 30 will be removed. Am I right or wrong? In the place of 30, you need to replace. But here we are not replacing. The element is just shifting. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Are you getting me, guys? That is the only reason. Performance-wise, collections are highly recommended. Okay. Now, like for example, remove. Just now we have seen this remove method. Did we see the remove method? We can remove like particular position. We can remove a particular object, and size method also we have already seen that, and get int position. For example, please observe here, guys, system.out.println. I am trying to use get method. Okay, get method. Please observe here al dot get, and I am trying to give one. Tell me, what is my output here? What is my output here, guys? Exactly. I should be getting my output as Java. So you understand what is the use of get method and what is the use of size method. Am I right? Tell me. Now, guys, do me a favor. Okay, system.out.println. I just want to write, okay, retrieving the elements using for loop. Retrieving the elements using for loop. Okay. For, tell me what I need to write. Okay, obviously 2 semicolons. Okay, now Manoj, first occurrence will be removed. Come on, tell me. Okay, I need to write int I equal to 0. Okay, fine, no issues. Let me try to write int I equal to 0. After that, what I need to write? Not length, Upendra, not length. We are having al dot size method, right? Now here I should be less than al dot size. Now here, after that, I plus plus. Guys, what do you say? Can I write like condition like this? You need to help me out. Yes. Okay. Now, can you please give me the code what I need to write inside this? Give me the code what I need to write. Yeah, that is perfect. Krishna, that is perfect. Yes. Sushil, yes. Suma, yes, that is correct. Come on, guys. Yeah, print statement. What I need to print? No, Upendra, no. Nikhil, no, just please think. I cannot print I, guys. If I'm trying to print I, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll be getting like this. Yeah, Mukesh, that is good. Guys, system.out.println al.get method. I need to use get method. Just now I told you, right? Get method. Now please check this, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Are you seeing this? Yes. In this way, I can retrieve the elements from collections by using for loop. Okay, I want to do one thing, guys. I want to retrieve the elements from collections, that is by using for each loop. Will you help me? Will you help me? Sir, we don't want to help you. Come on, yeah, please. Please help me out. Please help me out. Tell me first. For after that. No, that is wrong. That is completely wrong. We cannot write like that, Krishna. We cannot write like that, Rathod. Guys, how you are writing? How you will be writing int here? How you will be writing int? Mukesh, that is very good. Suma, that is very good. Very good. Very good. Come on. Think. You remember the syntax of for each loop, right? No, wrong. Upender, wrong. Guys, generally in for each loop, first what? Okay, let me just try to go with colon here. Before that, what we need to write? Before that, what we need to write? Tell me. Data type. I mean, whatever the array which you are taking, we need to take the data type. Now, here I told you collections will not accept data types, right? What collections will accept? What collections will accept? Objects, only objects. So can I write like this? Object object O and AL? Yes. Now here remaining is same. System.out.println O. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be able to get my output like this. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Guys, come on here. These are not data types. These are objects here. Objects. Yes or no? Sir, can I write array list here or AY? Let me go with like array list and just let me go with like, oh, can I write like this? Yes. Can I write like this? Please observe. Observe, guys, we are getting an error. Mukesh. Right? We need to typecast. So this is not actually possible, guys. No, we cannot write like that. We cannot write like that. Okay? We'll do one thing, guys. We'll do one thing. Sir, I just want to have, I'm having a small doubt. Can I go with integer integer? Guys, can I go with integer like this? No. Why? 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 Because I'm having string elements also here, right? Yeah, we are having other data types like other objects. Okay, sir. Is there any way that I want my array list to accept only integers? Guys, please listen to my question correctly. Sir, I want my array list to accept only int. Then why can't you use the array concept here? Why you are coming to collections? Sir, array, okay, I can use array, but in array, I have a restriction for length. Am I right or wrong, guys? I mean, in array, I'm having a drawback of length. There is restriction for me length. So I don't want to worry about the length, but I want my array list to accept only integers. Guys, are you understanding me? Are you understanding me? I don't want my array list to accept remaining objects. I just want my array list to accept only integer. Is there any possibility? Yes. From Java 1.5 version onwards, you are having this new feature that is generics. Here, guys, I'll be making my array list as integer, integer, and here also I'll be using integer like this. Now, if I use this generics like this, guys, what is the use of these generics? You know, generics are used for typecasting, like to avoid the problems of typecasting. Generics have been introduced in Java 1.5 version. Am I clear with this? Right now, if you are giving a generic like this integer, then our array list will accept only integers. Did you observe line number 12? Did you observe line number 12, guys? Come on, come on. Guys, we are getting an error. We are getting an error, right? Why? Because we have used generic here, generics. Okay, likewise you can use string, byte, char, float, double, boolean, any kind of generic you can use. Don't think like, sir, if you are using generics it became an array. No, guys, see, there are drawbacks of arrays. For example, if you are using generics, only a particular object will be stored. But when you're coming about methods, we can use all those methods. When you're speaking about the default capacity, same how previously it has been implemented, same capacity will be implemented like that. Yeah, you can use objects also, not at all a trouble. Guys, am I clear with this? We are getting an error at line number 12 because we have used generics. Now, guys, can we use integer here? Can we use integer here? Yep. Now, please right click, run as Java application, and we'll be able to get an output like this. Sir, I'm having a small doubt. Instead of integer, can I use int? Can I use int? Sir, you told that when we are discussing about wrapper classes, you told that auto boxing and auto unboxing will be performed automatically by the compiler. So can we use int like this? I'm expecting the answers. Guys, please respond. Please respond. Respond. Still I need answers from someone. Yes. Okay, guys. Some people are not some people. Almost everyone is saying we can use. Let me show you. Right click, run as Java application. Can we use? Can we use? Actually, yes. Guys, hang on. Actually, yes. When we can use int, when we can use int, if there is no null, then you can use int, no problem. Guys, actually null is an object, right? So you cannot convert that into a primitive data type. Yes, I hope you're understanding me. If there is null is not there, then fine, you can use int, no issues. Am I clear with this, guys? Int or integer, integer colon al, or just let me try to write object 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 o colon al, like this. Guys, did you understand this? Please tell me. Is it clear for everyone? We can use like this, we can use like this, or we can use like this also. Did you understand the concept of generics? Please tell me, guys. Please tell me, did you understand the concepts of generics? No. See, Rajara, don't go with null like 0, okay? It's the default value of an object, that's it. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, guys, actually, we can retrieve the elements by using for loop, by using for each loop, by using for each loop. Rupali, yes, for string data also we can retrieve it. Same as it is, just string, yes. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now, we'll do one thing, guys. We'll try to retrieve the data by using iterator interface. What do you say? ITERATOR, iterator, INTERFAC, iterator interface. Okay. Now, guys, please listen to me. This is very, 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 very important. Please listen to me. AL, what is that AL? AL is the reference, right? AL I'm trying to call iterator method. Okay. Iterator is a method which is present in array list. What this iterator method will be doing, iterator method will gives us a iterator interface. Just let me go with like this. With the help of this iterator, we can iterate the elements which are present in the array list. Guys, normal English, guys. Iterator method. What iterator method will be doing, iterator method returns an iterator. Sir, what is an iterator? Iterator means, imagine like a cursor, guys. Just imagine like a cursor which is present at the first position. Which is present before the first element of your array list. Are you understanding me, guys? Please tell me, guys. For example, guys, what is the first element present in our array list as of now? 10, right? So iterator method will gives you iterator which is present here, 10. With the help of that iterator, now please observe here, while I'm using a method I dot has next method. Guys, please, this is very, very, very important here. Very, very, very important. Now, these are elements which are present in your array. How many elements are there? 10, 42, 100, 10, 96, and 1. Okay. What, guys, please observe. What iterator method will be doing, iterator method will gives you an iterator which places the cursor before the first element. Okay. Right now, where is the cursor present? Before, guys, I need answers. I literally need answers. Please tell me, where is the cursor present? Before 10. Very good. Before 10. Now, what has next method, like what has next method will be doing, guys, has next method is a method which is present in iterator. Okay. What has next method will be doing? Has next method will just check before the cursor, is there any element present? Yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, come on here. Yes or no? Yes. An element is present, right? Then has next method will return true. It will return true. If the condition is true, system.out.println i.next. I'm using this next method. What this next method will be doing, next method will return this 10 and the cursor will move to like this. Cursor will move to like this. Now, guys, are there any statements left behind in while loop? No. So the compiler will be again going to, where the compiler will be going? Again, it will be going to check the condition. Has next method. Tell me, what has next method will give? True or false? Just tell me true or false. True. Why it is giving true? Why it is giving true? Because, sir, cursor, before cursor, you are having this 42, right? So true. Okay. Enter into the loop. System.out.println. What next method will be doing? What next method will be doing? It will return 42 and the cursor will move to the next element. Guys, are you understanding how the process will be going on? After 1, right now, okay, next method like this. Now, guys, has next method. Is there any element present after your cursor? No. So, right now, has next method will gives you false. The loop will be terminated. The loop will be terminated. Why we are getting like this? Oh, hang on. Here. Just I removed this from null. Okay, let me keep like this. Now, please observe here, guys. Right click, run as Java application. This is how you should be retrieving the elements by using iterator interface. Did you got an idea, guys? Please tell me. That is great. That is great. And do you know what? Actually, we can use generics here also. We can use generics here also, but if you want, you can use, or else no issues. As simple as this. Okay. Now, guys, this is about array list. Easy or not? Tell me. Easy? Uh, Easy, sir, but exactly. That but is there now. That will be cleared if you do practice. Can you do that for me, guys? Please. Guys, believe me, I'm not asking you more here. Literally, I'm not asking you more. By Monday, whenever you are coming to class on Monday, please go through this program clearly. Okay, that's it. Please have this program for me. Please have this program. Please check that. Check that. Krishna, check that. At this particular point, you need to check that. Please check that. Raja Rao, next int method is present in scanner class. That is different. Come on, Raja Rao. Don't forget that. Okay? Come on. Go ahead, guys. Please write the program. Guys, these comments are very, very, very important comments. Please don't miss those comments. Okay. Very important. Trust me. In collections, they will ask these comments only. Please don't miss those comments here. Please don't miss those comments. Mukesh, generics came from 1.5 actually. Okay. Shrikant, wait for it. Wait for it, Shrikant. Please wait. Guys, up to line number 24, complete for everyone. No? Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Please write, guys. Please write, guys. Please write. Ravi, I want you to give me the line number. Krishna, in line number 21, you are just retrieving the elements. Like you are trying to print the entire array list. Okay. In line number 21, if you are trying to print an array list, how you will be getting your elements, you know, you will be getting your elements like this, like a set. I mean, like a group. You cannot, for example, in line number 21, can you get this 42 down, 10 down, 96 down like that, line by line? You cannot do that. You cannot do that. Did you understand the difference, Krishna? Yes, yes, but yes. Okay, I got a question from Ravi. Sir, in the place of 12, can I add 6 plus 6? Yeah, why not? You can add, Ravi. No issues. Please observe here. 6 plus 6 expression. Fine. Nothing will happen, Ravi. You can add. Okay, buddy? Yes. Right. Guys, up to line number 30, I mean 29 complete for everyone. Line number 29 complete for everyone. I'm moving up. I'm moving up. 3, 2, 1. I'm moving up. Yeah, I'll hold. Come on. Okay, Sushil, iterator does not copy the data from array list. Iterator retrieves the data from array list. For example, will for each copy the data from array? No, right? Exactly. Suma, you're asking a question, iterator is present in iterator or array list? Suma, iterator is a method, okay, where it is present, just, okay, let me show you. Please observe here, this is a method, right? This method is present inside array list. Is it clear? Exactly. What that method will be doing, that method will generates, it will gives you a iterator. What is that use of that iterator? Iterator will iterates your cursor like that. Okay, Suma? Right. I hope it's clear, Amma. All right, guys. Is it done? Is it complete, guys, for everyone? Please respond in the chat. Okay, this is the output, guys. This is the output. Like, if you want, you can write, or else you can take a snapshot. No problem. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. Yes. That is great. That is great. So guys, do me a favor, please practice. Please practice, guys. Please practice. If you are not practicing collections, it will test your patience. No, Krishna, I'll not post this program in the Google Classroom. Nope, not this program. No way. This program you need to practice. If I copy this in the Google Classroom, I know what you guys will do. I don't want that. Okay. So guys, what I'm requesting is, please practice this program at least for 3 times, and Monday you will enjoy the class. Monday, guys, Monday we'll be trying to complete linked list. We'll be trying to complete vector. If time permits, I'll be trying to complete set implementation classes also. Monday. Okay. Right, guys. Right. All right, guys. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by Monday. And yes, have a fantastic weekend, and please don't forget to practice. Okay, guys. Please don't forget to practice. Everyone, have a great weekend, guys. Enjoy with your family. Have a great weekend, but please don't forget to practice. Right? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Happy Sri Ramnavami. Yeah, by the way. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Good night, everyone. See you on Monday.